Is there any spirits in here? Is there any spirits by the rampart? What's going on? Oh, spit. Is there any spirits? Is there any spirits slash a demon in this furnace room? Okay, what's up, babe? I'm in my furnace room right now. I'm in my furnace room, and I was in here is a big mess. Is there any spirits by the rampart? What's going on? What was that? I was cleaning my furnace room. I guess it's just like a furnace room crawl space. It's pretty tiny. I never filmed in here before. It was a big mess in here before. Big mess, junk, clutterness, you know what I mean? A clutter, junk. And bit by bit, I'm cleaning it out. Is there any spirits in here? Hey, what's that? Because this furnace room is tiny. I mean, yes. That room temperature light sounding never went out before. That's weird. Please let me know in the comments. Oh, well, what does that mean? So I'm gonna do a spell box. Is there any? Did anyone died in here? Long time ago. Did anyone die in here? It's so tiny. This room is so tiny. Did anyone die in here? Can you communicate with me through my spell box? I'll make a sign, make a sound. Is there any spirits in his furnace room right now? Is there any... Did anyone die in here? Can any spirits make a sign that you're here? Make a sign? Did any spirits touching the rampart? If you died in this room, what's your name? Did any spirits die in this room exactly? Did anyone get buried? Did anyone get buried in this room? Oh, respect. Is there a spirit here with me? Is there a spirit trying to communicate with me? Did any spirits in the past, were you trapped in this room back in the past? back in the day. Can something or can you touch my rampart again? Can you show us? Can you show a sign that you heal? Is there any demons? Can something or can you touch my rampart again? Can you touch my rampart again? Is that you? It's spiking. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? Am I? Is someone trying to communicate with me? Who are you? Oh, oh, spiking. Spiking. Oh, I'm gonna choose. I don't know over there. Oh, who are you? Are you a spirit back in the past, or did someone die in here? Or are you a demon? Who are you? Repeat that, please. Hello? Are you in this room with me? That is crazy, man. It's something here. I'm gonna go lights out, okay? It's creepy. I got the goosebumps, the crazy. I keep on hearing noises. I know you're saying it's a funny room. It does make noise. I know that. I know that, okay? I know. But, like, some weird noises that you never expected, you know what I mean? Kind of creepy, actually. That kept going off. And then the room temperature sound was keep on going off. The K2 was spiking. Like, when I say this room is tiny, it is tiny, trust me. I wish it was a lot more bigger. A lot more bigger. I wish it's a lot more bigger. I wish. I'm gonna go lights out. Oh, this is creepy. This is not creepy. I'm gonna do the crystal then, because there's no one in here. So I want to do the crystal then. Is there any spirits? Is there any spirits slash a demon in this furnace room? Oh my god. Are you serious? Oh my god, it's going. It's doing this. What's that sound? It's moving. Oh god, it's moving. Are you serious right now? Like, are you serious? Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you serious? Is there a spirit in here or a demon? My hand's getting tired. Oh my god. Let me know in the comments. Should I do this at 3 o'clock in the morning? Let me know in the comments. And I do strongly believe that maybe this room could have something inside of it that I don't know. This furnace room car space. I know you could call it storage room. Could have something attached to it that I never thought of checking before. You know what I mean? No, never thought of realizing. There's like a window. So let me know in the comments that if you want me to do this at 3 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, I got quite a few other videos to work on as well. So see you guys soon, and see you guys in the next one.